Hi everyone, my name is Ajit and welcome to this Cypress automation tutorial series. And in this series, we are going to work on a real time Cypress project from scratch. That means we will start right from setting up a Cypress project, then move step by step into writing automation script, working with locators, handling different scenarios, and finally setting up a complete CI/CD pipeline. This is going to be a follow along series. As I write code, you can like practice along with me and build your own Cypress project side by side. And there are a few things which are like what is Cypress, how it works, what are the pros and cons of the Cypress over Selenium or Playwright. So these are the things in which I'm not going to jump into. I'm just directly going to tell you how you can like set up a project and work on that project. And uh, and there are a few things like VS Code and Git and Node. These are the three software which you can install in your computer, uh, and I'm not going to tell you how you can do that. You can do simply Google or Gemini or Chat GPT and install it in your computer. And you will also require a GitHub account, so sign up on this particular website. Okay, so, and one last thing is there are a few things which you might find that I don't know what is happening, but trust me, just follow along with me and later or soon you will know that what is going on. So it's not about like, if you give time, you will understand what is going on. Okay. Okay, so now just create a folder and rename this folder and say, sorry, Cypress automation, and open this particular folder in your VS Code. Okay, maximize and close this. And in the bottom left of your computer, you will find this cross icon, right? Click on that and click on this terminal. Now you can say npm init. Okay, click enter. Sorry, npm init. Okay, and it will ask a few questions. You can just keep pressing enter and then it will create a package.json file. And now you can say npm install Cypress. Okay, press enter. And after some time, like depending upon the speed of your computer, it might take a few seconds or few minutes, but there will be a node modules folder will be created, and there will be a package log.json will be created, file will be created, sorry. And in node modules you must find a Cypress folder. So here it is, you can say Cypress. Okay, and now we can hit npx Cypress open. And after doing this, a Cypress folder will be created over here, and uh, Cypress config.js file will be created. So click on this end to end and select continue and done. Now we can close this. Now you will see Cypress and Cypress config.js. Okay, so this config.js file is quite important. It is like a file where we put all of the settings of the project, right? Now uh, now we are going to use page object model for this entire tutorial right from the beginning. Like, it's not like initially we are doing normal uh, tutorial things, and then in the middle of the tutorial we are going to use page object model. It's not like that. We are going to use page object model from starting. So to do that, I'm going to create a new folder inside Cypress and say e2e. Okay, and one more folder which is pages, and inside pages I'm going to create a one more folder called as elements, and one more folder called as actions. Okay, and this e2e folder is the folder where we will put all of our spec files, and in this elements folder we will put all of the locators, and in this actions folder we will put all of the logics of the Cypress framework, right? So now inside this config.js we will have to put the spec pattern. Where you can put it, there is a e2e object over here, you can see, and inside this e2e object, not over here, not over here, you can put over here also. Let's do this. So here click enter and say spec pattern colon, and then say in uh, quotes you can say cypre cypress slash e2e slash star star dot cy dot js. Okay, and then give a comma, and that error will be gone. Save it. Now I just want to quickly show you that that particular setting is working. This setting is working. So to do that I can create a new file, say hello.cy.js, and inside we can say describe, and in this uh, in this bracket we can say hello, anything you can call it. So just do it whatever I'm doing. Later on I will teach you why these things are happening. So here you can create a empty arrow function and say it, and then say hello again, and then again an empty function, and then say cy dot visit, and in brackets and quotes we can say www dot google.com. Save it, and in terminal reopen our Cypress test runner, and inside Cypress e2e you can see there is a hello.cy.js. If you click on it, it will go to google.com. So I have given the incorrect link. Let me correct it. Save it, and in real time you can see it is like reloading the test, and the test runner is reached to the Google website, right? So now the setup is done. In our next video I am going to teach you about how can you put your locators inside this elements file and elements folder, and I will teach some more things like what are the actions and how we can link all the elements, actions, and these spec files. Thank you for this video. Thank you.